I'm recording this short right here. I got another video on it giving more details, but this will work for any diesel trucks. If you ever happen to mistakenly put gasoline inside your diesel engine, just siphon out the diesel and gas mixture into some buckets or whatnot. Change your fuel filter. This is a GMC 2500 HD. You see what type of filter this is. This is the one that you have to prime. You just prime it by pressing that little knob right up there at the top. There's a bleeder screw that you unscrew. It's just connected with two 12mm bolts and a couple of hose clamps and two wire harnesses that you have to disconnect. It's fairly easy. But if you ever had that problem where you put gas in it, don't panic. Just do this. It's in this video.